In this video, I'm showing you how you can use Vanish mode in Instagram. So firstly, open your Instagram app and then click on the messenger icon in the top right corner. And here what you need to do is you have to open any of the chat in which you want to use Vanish mode. So firstly, open any of the chat, and to use Vanish mode or to enable Vanish mode, simply swipe up like this, and you can see it is released to turn on the Vanish mode. And now when you release it, so it will on that Vanish mode. So simply swipe up like this and it will enable the Vanish mode. So that's it, that how you can do this. And now it will, so when you send the message in the Vanish mode, so it will disappear after the person seen it or when you leave the chat. So that's it. So it is also saying that messages sent in the last 6 hours can be seen again, but older seen messages are hidden when you close the chat. So it is saying that if you leave the chat, if you send a message and if the person see it or you leave the chat, then the message will be disappeared. So that's it, that how you can do this. You can also send a message here, and when the person open it, then it will see the message in the Vanish mode. So to turn off the Vanish mode, simply swipe up like this, and you have to lift the finger, and now you have disabled the Vanish mode. So that's it, that how you can use the Vanish mode in Instagram. Simply swipe up to enable this, and now you can do this. So that's it, that how you can do. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.